Weather Service in Raleigh. It's Nick Petro with your Tuesday weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period the 28th today through the 3rd of June, which is Monday. And of course, we hope everybody had a great weekend, a good holiday weekend, Memorial Day weekend. And typically we when there's a holiday on Monday, we'll do the full weekly briefing on Tuesday. So real quick look, and just wanted to show, let's see if I can get the right screen here. Well, no, I don't have it up, but suffice it to say, we have really nice conditions right now. Plenty of sunshine, a light northwest breeze, pleasant conditions outside. And that's all in the wake of a cold front pushing to the east. Behind that cold front, we're going to have high pressure, several areas of high pressure moving east and pushing across the eastern U.S. And that's going to give us a nice stretch of weather through the rest of this week into the weekend with dry, mainly dry, low impact weather through at least Saturday. There's a few models that hint maybe a very stray light passing rain shower might skirt across up near the Virginia border maybe tomorrow or even later today. But I mean, those are going to be so few and far between. We're just calling it dry. So really just real pleasant. Then when the second batch of high pressure moves in, if you look at the Wednesday time frame into Saturday, that's actually going to bring a push of cooler air with temperatures, high temperatures, possibly, topping out right around 80, basically Thursday, Friday, maybe even into Saturday. So that's actually below normal. And really, when you think about it, the last couple of days in May, highs only around 80. I mean, that's just absolutely spectacular. So temps near normal through midweek, and then cooling a couple degrees below normal for Thursday, Friday, maybe into Saturday. And then come early next week, we'll see rain chances coming back into the picture as high pressure pushes offshore and we get the humidity coming back from the south and maybe the next weather system, approaching from the west. So all in all, a really spectacular rest of this week and into the weekend. Here's the severe thunderstorm potential outlook for the next 8 days. We're thinking that light green there indicating general thunder on Thursday might be a little overdone. We really are just, like I said, rain chances less than 10% right through the week. Certainly no severe storms expected. And this is another way to convey it. Look at dry today, dry Wednesday, dry Thursday, dry Friday, mainly dry Saturday. Maybe the western third of the state gets in on a little bit of really spotty rain. But gosh, for the next rest of the week, we're pretty much dry. And of course, obviously, no risk for flash flooding. The drought, this will be interesting to see how this is updated on Thursday. This was issued actually last week, but really we're pretty much drought free across the state, except for a little bit of dryness across the northeast. But all in all, maybe this the rain that we had the last couple of days may have taken care of this. We'll see. But anyway, no drought. Looking further ahead to the following week, the first full week of June, what's that going to look like? It's going to look like temperatures at or maybe slightly above normal. And then rain chances, around normal, maybe odds favor a little bit above normal. What's normal? Highs in the low to mid 80s and lows in the low to mid 60s. So yeah, can't complain here for the last week of May into first week of June, looking pretty nice. And this is yet another way to convey the fact that we don't really have any weather hazards through at least Saturday. As I said, early next week, maybe the chance for shower or thunderstorm gets back into the picture. Even then, it would be very low chances. But anytime there's lightning in the forecast, we'll color that box yellow. But anyway, gosh, it just doesn't get much better than this for late May into early June. So wrapping it up, a nice stretch of weather the rest of this week and into the weekend with mainly dry, low impact weather through the rest of this work week, at least through Saturday. Temps near normal through midweek, then cooling a couple degrees below normal for the latter half of the week. We're talking highs around 80. And then rain chances will slowly creep back into the forecast early next week. No hazardous weather expected at this time for this briefing period. So that is your update for this Tuesday, the 28th of May for Central North Carolina.